Hello, Dawa. Have you got anything we can use for playing camping? Oh, yes, I do. 2 sleeping bags. Very warm and comfy.
Thank you.
Hello, Grandpa Koala. Can you lend us a torch, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Have you got anything else we can use for playing camping, La?
Indeed I do. Give me a few minutes and I'll bring it out to you.
See you later, Grandpa Koala.
Hello, Grandma Koala. Have you got anything we can use?
We want to make a yummy meal in our tent, La. Here, my sweeties. Thank you.
So, what would you like to eat, Koala?
Yummy mashed potatoes?
You'll need this to make a nice hot meal, children.
Wow! Thank you, Grandpa Koala.
Be careful, Koala. It's hot. Oh, it's late. Time for bed.
What's that, La?
Oh, it's only a tiny little frog. Go back to sleep. So, Koala, do you want me to tell you a story?
Ooh, a story with superheroes and children camping in the dark, and the children are very scared, and...
Once upon a time, on a moonless night, 2 friends were out camping. They couldn't sleep because they were frightened by strange noises in the forest. Luckily, a superhero who just happened to be walking by came into their tent.
It's getting